Hello and welcome to the Manic Rainbow Studios presents Magical Manifestations and Affirmations, a workshop series brought to you by level11content.com. In this 21-day immersive series, we are going to delve into the power of affirmation writing and gratitude journaling, and really discuss the process of writing affirmations and gratitude journaling for anybody who's new to this concept, as well as some of the science and philosophy behind incorporating this into your daily practice to create or manifest pretty much anything that you can put your mind on. What you're going to need in order to participate in this workshop series is quite simple. Something to write in, such as a journal, your favorite pen or pencil, an open mind, and a willingness to participate in the process. And what I mean by that is I highly encourage you to participate for the full 21 days and really work on incorporating gratitude and affirmations into your daily life. You can do this in as little as 20 minutes a day. We'll talk more about what that looks like structurally as we get to the end of this video. With that said, let's talk a little bit about one of my favorite sayings that holds a lot of truth. Your words carry power, and that's why it's called spelling. By harnessing the power of the words that you think, speak, and write, you can create impactful changes in your own world. The more that you radiate these changes outwardly, the more powerfully you are able to impact the world around you. Now, as far as I'm concerned, I'm the founder of Manic Rainbow Studios, as well as level11content.com. In my circle of influence, I'm frequently referred to as the Oracle, because I have an inordinate amount of knowledge about a vast variety of things, and that does pertain a bit to my possibilitarianism. And basically, a possibilitarian is somebody who believes in all potentials and is open to all possibilities, and therefore, through that openness, I'm able to make connections and learn about things that I might not normally have been exposed to. I'm also an audiophile, which means that I'm an extreme fan of music as an art form. For me personally, I use music in my process of manifestation on a daily basis, and I'm a big believer in the power of music to motivate, inspire, and heal. I'm also a writer and an author. I've published a couple of titles under various pen names, as well as freelanced for a large portion of the past 20 years. That has morphed itself into being both a content curator as well as a content creator. And in my circle of influence, I'm a notorious rainmaker, which essentially means that I have the knack for pairing up people with opportunities and creating more abundance in my community. And my community is predominantly LGBTQIA or various corners of the underrepresented creative community, such as BIPOC and other marginalized creators. So that's a little bit about this workshop and me in a nutshell. As far as affirmations and gratitude are concerned, let's talk about some broad definitions. An affirmation is a statement or declaration of truth. Affirmations can be used to declare a new reality for your life or simply affirm your own well-being. They can help you challenge negative thoughts and self-sabotaging behavior. In this session, we will discuss the anatomy of an affirmation and dig into how to write them. Gratitude. The power of gratitude can carry with it powerful transformation. You would be surprised how the simple act of gratitude journaling can have a massive impact on your life. By affirming with gratitude that which you are thankful for, you improve your ability to attract more awesome things to express gratitude for. Before we continue, it's important to note that I am not personally a mental health or medical professional, and this course is in no way an adequate replacement for proper mental or medical health services, although the contents of this course can definitely augment these practices if you are endeavoring into a new mental health or physical health practice of some kind. If you are suffering from extreme or volatile emotions and or thoughts of or feelings of self-harm, please consult a licensed mental or medical health professional immediately. If you need some resources, I will post some in the information section under this video. With that said, let's chat about some of the supporting evidence from leading experts about the power of using affirmations and gratitude journaling daily. As far as affirmations are concerned, they can change the brain. They can affect the neuroplasticity of the brain, specifically the prefrontal cortex. And this part of the brain is involved in positive valuation and self-related information processing. This part of the brain also becomes more active when we incorporate affirming statements on a regular basis. As far as the impact that affirmations have on emotions, positive affirmations can boost self-confidence, enhance focus and clarity, and reduce stress and anxiety. When we consciously choose uplifting thoughts and beliefs, we rewire our minds for success, self-compassion, and abundance. With gratitude, we can improve our health to include reduction in depression and anxiety, better heart health, relief of stress, and improved sleep. Gratitude can also improve our motivation. We can experience an increase in motivation and personal inspiration, both in ourselves and in the lives around us, when we practice gratitude on a daily basis. Of course, at the bottom of the screen, I have listed a couple of my sources for this information, and I will also list the direct links for these sources in the information section under this video. Now for the fun stuff. The 3 P's of writing affirmations. This is a simple formula, and basically the 3 P's stand for present, personal, and positive. When you are writing affirmations, it's important to write them in the present tense, as if they have already happened and are already true. And there is a very specific reason for why that is the most effective way to create affirmations, which we will delve into as we progress through this 21-day program. It's also important to keep your affirmations personal to you. What somebody else is trying to manifest might not be the same as what you are trying to manifest, and that's okay. So by personalizing the affirmations, you give them more meaning and power for yourself. And lastly, when you're writing affirmations, it's important to use affirming language as opposed to negative language. So you're going to want to focus on what you can or are willing to create, as opposed to what you don't want happening. Just for practice, here are a couple of affirmations that I have written or I have used in my own personal gratitude statement practice that incorporate that concept of the 3 Ps. You can pause the video here to read through these affirmations, and you're also welcome to copy these and put them in your journal as examples to get started if affirmation writing is something that you are new to. Now, moving on to the second part of this program, which is gratitude. As small of a gesture as it may seem, expressing gratitude can improve health, lead to better relationships, strengthen your personal resilience, boost confidence and optimism, and increase empathy and creativity. Here are some tips for gratitude journaling. It doesn't have to be complex. Mainly, you focus your thought and your mind on things that you feel thankful for, and keep your focus on the good things. Your thankfulness can be linked to virtually anything, including people, events, or your own personal characteristics. For example, if you are grateful for your personal resilience, express gratitude for that. Be specific and as detailed as possible when you're writing about what you're thankful for. Personalize your practice. Write about things that are personal to you. This will help solidify the gratitude in a more meaningful way. And last but definitely not least, I recommend this for both your affirmation writing and your gratitude journaling. Write by hand. Handwriting your gratitude statements provides the most effective mind-body association. This can help you connect deeper with the feelings of gratitude. And as practice, here are a couple of gratitude statements that I have written in my journal. And again, you are welcome to pause the video here to review these or even jot them down in your own journal as examples if you are just getting started. And it's important to note that when you're gratitude journaling, it's an extra way for you to incorporate affirmative language into your practice. For example, I am grateful to do meaningful work and that I can make good money doing it. You may not have your dream job right now. You may not be making exactly what you want. But if you can feel the gratitude of what it would be like or how it would feel for you to be doing that fulfilling work and making good money doing it, then you can create an affirmative experience through practicing gratitude for those things. As far as structure is concerned, when it comes to affirmation writing and gratitude journaling, I recommend 20 minutes a day. And essentially what that boils down to is 10 minutes in the morning and 10 minutes at night. In the morning, I highly recommend and encourage you to write down 10 powerful affirmative statements. And of course, don't forget to incorporate the 3 Ps into your affirmations. With gratitude journaling, this is something that I recommend that you do in the evening, preferably when you're winding down for the day, maybe right before you're going to bed, because there's a lot of power in taking that sense of joy into your sleep. And again, in the evening, I recommend writing about 10 things. It can be really simple sentences or as much as you would like to journal about. But gratitude can be as simple as expressing your thankfulness for your pet, or the roof over your head, or the fact that you have food in your refrigerator, or whatever it is that brings you gratitude and comfort. And again, this would be 10 minutes in the morning, 10 affirmation statements, 10 minutes at night, 10 statements of gratitude. And that's all for 21 days. And then beyond that, once you see how this can be transformative for you, you may wish to incorporate this in the long term. With all that said, I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today. I want to thank you for participating in this program. The next video will be going live next Tuesday or Wednesday is my goal with respect to posting the next video in the series. There will be a total of 4 videos in this series, and they will all sort of focus on different aspects of manifesting, affirmations, and gratitude journaling. I want to thank you so much for being here. And if you like this content, you would like to see more of this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have a friend that you feel may benefit from this 21-day immersive program, feel free to send them this video and share the experience together. You can find us on social media at Manic_Rainbow_Studios on Instagram or level11content.com. I will post all of those links in the information section under this video. And otherwise, I just want to wish you a blessed day full of magical manifestations. Talk to you soon.